Winnie Stott and her husband Bill bought Windsong Farm in 2000 and never imagined what would transpire through their love of horses and people. They've been featured in a number of articles, including Industry Magazine, Horse Canada, and when people visit the horses at Windsong, they're in awe. Once or twice a year, Windsong Farms hosts their popular fundraisers, supporting groups such as the Newmarket Humane Society, Anne and Pete's Foster Home for Dogs, Long Run Thoroughbred Retirement Society, Toronto Cat Rescue, Art Society of King, and Therapeutic Riding. Giving back comes naturally for Winnie, inspired by her parents who grew up in the Depression years. She says in those days, if you didn't work together and help each other, you couldn't survive. Having animals in her life has kept her close to nature. She relishes in the limitless beauty she sees in every day, so much so that it's impossible not to share it.
Giving back at Windsong Farm is fun because we do it with the horses. Each year we have a few fundraisers and they motivate us to find new and interesting things to teach the horses. If you're interested in giving back, look to your passions to see what you can do. My love of horses led to unique shows that raise money for all sorts of animals and the people that love them. Good boy. Who would have thought that horse after horse would learn to roll out the carpet, push the big ball, and sit on the beanbag? Salvador, let's go get the mail. Find the mailbox. Find it. Good boy. Open the mailbox. Good. You can do it. Get the mail. Perfect. 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 Hold on a minute. Up. There's a letter. I'll read it to you. What message would you send to the frontline workers and volunteers during the COVID-19 crisis? Okay, Salvador. On the feet. Come. Come here. And toe. What would you say? Over here. Good job. Very nice.
This magnificent venue to congratulate Winnie on being the recipient of the 2020 Portraits of Giving. On behalf of King Council, thank you for all you've done for our community.
Hello, I would like to introduce you to Winnie Stott of Windsong Farm. She is the amazing woman I have nominated for the Portraits of Giving in King Township. I've known Winnie for 10 years, and in that time I've come to be most impressed with her enthusiasm, her competence, her organizational skills, and her sense of play. Winnie genuinely wishes to help people and to give of herself without limits to assist others. Each year she holds a fall and spring fundraiser on her farm where she manages to create not only a fundraiser, but a huge gathering of like-minded people, both helpers and in the audience, who enjoy each other's company. Depending upon which animal rescue or other worthy cause is in most need that year, Winnie will donate all of the proceeds from the fundraising show to that organization. She and Bill, her husband, arrange the helpers, create an interesting and varied program, which includes appropriate music, costumes, which she will make, equipment for the horses to work with, and much, much more. She is assisted by a loyal group of people, and together they put on an entertaining event in her arena, which has been set up with chairs, coffee, treats, and a sound system. There are ticket takers, greeters, and parking assistants. Her shows have had different themes, but they all highlight exceptional horsemanship. You might find mini horses racing through mazes, Lusitanos walking over teeter-totters, and then gracefully cavorting riderless around the arena, while carefully following the subtle signals from their loving owner, Winnie. She and Bill work daily with the horses in order to prepare them for these events. Winnie is the person who, when you have a problem, you may phone her for advice, and within the hour she responds with the name and phone number of someone she knows who will help you out. She is also the woman who, unbidden, appears outside your home, working in your garden with her own tools when she knows you are unable to do so. She is a true friend, and she is the spark that kindles the flame in others to want to go out and assist those in need. Thank you.
Hi Winnie, it's Kelly Foley here.
Hi Winnie, it's Mike Foley here.
We just want to say that we are proud recipients of the Portraits of Giving, and we're also co-sponsors with John from NoFrills of Nobleton.
As your bio states, your love for animals and your love for people is very evident. What you've been able to give back to the township has been absolutely amazing, and we know that you're going to continue to do so for years to come. So we just basically want to congratulate you and thank you for everything that you've done for us and what you will continue to do in the future.
We hope you have a great time at this event, even though it's very different times and we couldn't be there to help celebrate with you. We just want to say congratulations.
Congratulations again, and enjoy your evening.
I'm thrilled that Winnie is being recognized as King City's recipient of the 2020 Portraits of Giving Award. Winnie has hosted many entertaining events at her farm, which have raised thousands of dollars in support of a number of charities, including the Long Run Thoroughbred Retirement Society, Procyon Wildlife Rescue, Ann and Pete's Dog Rescue, the Art Society of King, the Horse Sanctuary at Stonegate Farm, and many, many more. Most recently, she hosted a fundraising event for the King's Cross Ratepayers Association, who were trying to prevent sensitive land in King Township and part of the Oak Ridges Moraine from being developed for houses and condos. Winnie's amazing Liberty work with her horses and ponies entertain and delight audiences. After many hours of dedicated training, her equine friends will play the piano, a game of baseball, get the mail, twirl on a pedestal, and much more. Winnie's giving spirit is an inspiration and has helped hundreds of people when they needed a hand. Congratulations, Winnie.
Hi there, my name is Susan Parker, and together with my husband Rick, we have a company known as Canadian Wrangler, through which we supply and train all types of animals for film and commercials. Through this knowledge we have gathered over the many years, we can appreciate the amount of time and commitment Winnie Stott has poured into her animals. By contouring natural behaviors, she's been able to create entertaining plays, allowing her animals to showcase their skills, inviting children and adults into her world, getting a glimpse of the joy of communication with animals. One of the fundraisers Winnie held helped support my charity of choice, Silver Willow Farm, located in the scenic area of Mansfield. Owned and run by Laura MacArthur, Silver Willow provides a forever home to unwanted and mistreated animals. Laura provides ample space and nurturing around the clock. Through Winnie's creative ideas, props, kind volunteers, and animals, it warmed the heart to raise funds for Silver Willow Farm. On behalf of everyone who has enjoyed and benefited from Winnie's kind act of giving back, I wish to congratulate her on receiving this very fitting award.
In times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be.